Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
CBAP Business Analysis Professional. Lecture 5, Requirements Life Cycle Management. Requirements Life Cycle Management is a critical aspect of the overall business analysis process. It involves the identification, documentation, tracking, and controlling of requirements throughout their life cycle. This process ensures that requirements are aligned with the business needs and objectives from inception to completion and even after deployment. Here's a detailed explanation of the key components and activities involved in requirements life cycle management. Key components. Traceability. A. Purpose. To track the life of a requirement from its origin through its development and specification to its subsequent deployment and use, and through periods of ongoing refinement and iteration in any of these phases. B. Activities. Linking requirements to business objectives, other requirements, and design components to ensure that every requirement delivers value. Maintenance. A. Purpose. To ensure that requirements are kept current and accurate throughout their life cycle. B. Activities. Regularly updating and refining requirements as changes occur in the business environment, technology, or other relevant factors. Prioritization. A. Purpose. To determine the relative importance of requirements so that the most critical ones are addressed first. B. Activities. Assessing the value, cost, risk, and dependencies of requirements to determine their order of implementation. Change management. A. Purpose. To manage changes to requirements as they evolve due to various factors like stakeholder needs, market conditions, or technology advancements. B. Activities. Establishing processes to handle requirement changes, including impact analysis, approval workflows, and communication with stakeholders. Approval. A. Purpose. To obtain agreement on requirements from all stakeholders before development begins. B. Activities. Reviewing and validating requirements with stakeholders to ensure they meet their needs and expectations. Key activities. Requirements tracing. A. Establish and maintain relationships between requirements and other project artifacts, e.g., design documents, test cases. Requirements monitoring and controlling. B. Continuously track requirement status and ensure alignment with project objectives. C. Manage and document any changes to the requirements throughout the project lifecycle. Assessing requirement changes. A. Evaluate the impact of proposed changes on the project scope, schedule, and resources. B. Ensure that all changes are reviewed and approved by relevant stakeholders before implementation. Documenting requirements. A. Create comprehensive documentation for requirements, ensuring they are clear, complete, and unambiguous. B. Maintain updated records of requirements as they evolve. Communicating requirements. A. Facilitate ongoing communication with stakeholders to ensure requirements are understood and agreed upon. B. Use various communication tools and techniques to keep all parties informed of changes and status updates. Importance of requirements life cycle management. A. Alignment with business goals. Ensures that the requirements contribute to achieving the business objectives. B. Quality and consistency. Maintains high standards for requirements quality, ensuring they are consistent and meet stakeholder expectations. C. Risk management. Identifies and mitigates risks associated with requirement changes or misalignment with business needs. D. Stakeholder satisfaction. Engages stakeholders throughout the process to ensure their needs are met and to gain their buy-in. Best practices. A. Regular reviews and updates. Continuously review and update requirements to reflect any changes in the business environment or project scope. B. Effective communication. Maintain clear and consistent communication channels with all stakeholders to manage expectations and changes. C. Comprehensive documentation. Keep detailed and up-to-date documentation of all requirements and changes. D. Change control processes. Implement robust change control processes to manage requirement changes effectively.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.